We are now going to talk about net worth. Net worth is a calculation of how much an individual, household, or company is worth financially. Net worth, what you own minus what you owe. Net worth consists of assets and liabilities. Assets, something you own, liabilities, something you owe. Here we have a net worth statement for person one, Tamara. We have assets, video game collection, savings, and the worth of Tamara's car. To find the net worth, all we have to do is add all these items together. When I add them all together, this is what I will get. 980 plus 200. That is going to give me 1180. I will then add the 1180 to $12,000. The net worth is going to be 13,180. Now let's add the liabilities. 520 plus 360 plus 2400. 520, 360, 880 plus 2400. 3,280. Now, to find your net worth, you have to subtract these two amounts. When I subtract them, I'm going to get $9,900.